Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to measure a distance or an area with Google Maps. And the first way is by open your Google Maps and then hold your finger on a place that you want to measure. I want to walk this path nearby the pool. So I will hold my finger just right here to locate a place. And now if I tap on measure distance, I can measure exactly the walk that I will do to this roundabout, and it says that this walk is 1.735 kilometers, and this is exactly how you can measure your distance. Alright, now if I want to measure an area, we need to open Google Earth. And for Google Earth, we want to measure this lake right here. Then hold your finger on a place. Then tap on measure. And from here, we can tap the points that you want to measure. So I want to measure this, then tap on add point. I want to measure this, tap on add point. Add point, add point, add point, add point, add point, and close the area. And now if you can see, you will see the perimeter, the area space, and this is exactly how you can measure an area. Alright, these are the two ways how you can do this, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. For now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.